In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Teams meeting link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the link for any meeting and how to get it ready to share quickly and confidently. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app, the web version in your browser, or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once Teams is open, give it a moment to load your workspace. If you work with multiple organizations or accounts, make sure you're in the correct one so the right calendar and meetings appear. Next, head to the calendar. On desktop and web, you'll find calendar in the left-hand navigation. On mobile, look for it along the bottom of the screen. The calendar view shows your schedule by day, work week, or full week, and it includes both meetings you've set up and those you've been invited to. If you don't immediately see a meeting you're thinking of, switch views or scroll to the correct date and time. Now create a new meeting or open an existing one. To create a new meeting, select New Meeting in the calendar. Give it a clear title so attendees know what to expect, choose the date and time, and adjust any basic options you need. If you already have the meeting set, simply click it to open its details. Opening the meeting card is important because that's where the join link lives and where you'll find the controls to share it. With the meeting details open, look for the option labeled Share, Copy Join Link, Copy Link, or Get Link, depending on your version of Teams. It's usually near the top or within the meeting details pane. Click that option. Teams will either copy the join link directly to your clipboard or present a small menu with choices to copy or share it. When it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you communicate, chat, email, or a calendar note, so people can join with a single click. If you see a share invite button, it may also generate a ready-made invitation that includes the link. A quick tip: the link might look long, and that's normal. It contains the information Teams needs to route people to your meeting. Also keep in mind that your organization's policies control who can enter directly and who waits in the lobby, so sharing the link doesn't override those settings. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to your calendar, create or open the meeting, and click Share or Copy Join Link. You're ready to share your Microsoft Teams meeting link with confidence.